Welcome back everybody. We are back now with Great Day Home Improvement. Are you in need of new roof, siding, or windows? Gunner Roofing has perfected the process, making it smooth from click to install.
Yeah, they also have a wonderful Gunner Cares initiative, which gives back to communities. Joining us in our studio is CEO and co-founder of Gunner Roofing, Eddie Pershall. Thank you so much for being here. Congratulations on the birth of Maverick.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
3 months old, and you got time to visit with us. That's awesome.
Yeah, I might be a little slow today. So
that's okay. You're good. Tell us about your company. It's a pretty unique business. You guys started, you didn't really know too much about roofing, and here you go.
Yeah. Exactly what you said. You know, we didn't know too much about the business, but we knew we wanted to deliver an excellent customer experience, and that's kind of what started everything, and it's what allowed us to make every decision moving forward, is like with the customer in mind, make things easy for them.
So when you say click,
yeah.
This isn't the clicking of the shingles. Like this is sort of new technology meeting the old school business. Tell us what sets you apart.
Yeah. Again, talking that customer experience, we knew it's a big pain for homeowners to get quotes. You know, they got to call a bunch of different people. They don't answer. So we made it so you go to our website, gunnerroofing.com. You put in your address, first and last name, and phone number. Click submit, and within an hour, you have a real quote of your house with a 3D rendering. You can try different shingles on, and you have a real price that you can buy it online and not talk to anyone if you don't want to.
That is really
remarkable. And it's like a real price. Not come out and say, oh, just kidding, it's twice as much.
How long is the quote good for?
6 months.
6 months, that's
yeah.
terrific. So you can think about it, ponder it, and then...
Well, actually what happened was we have a lot of people who have like summer homes or things like that, so they get the work done you know, 6 months out, so they're able to book it a little bit further. Yeah.
What is James Harding siding? James Hardy siding.
It's a fiber cement siding. A lot of stuff you'll see around here is like a vinyl siding. The problem is it breaks and cracks and fades. Yeah. James Hardy looks a lot like wood, but without any of the maintenance. It's a lot cheaper, and you know, we do a lot of it in the Northeast, so the price point is very close to vinyl, which is super attractive for people, because that's the reason they usually go with vinyl, is it's a lot cheaper, you know, but with Hardy being in that same price point, people love it on their homes. It looks great.
And it looks really nice. And you're very involved in the community. Tell us about Gunner Cares and all those projects.
Yeah. Gunner Cares is a huge thing for us. You know, there's not enough people taking care of our first responders. And, you know, in Hartford, we've got a program going on right now, and we're a day away from it, but we're going to announce a winner who gets a free roof. It's a first responder here locally in the community. Yeah. So we're really excited about that. You know, we've got an amazing community that takes such great care of us, and we want to be able to take care of first responders at home. Now,
you and your brother was here the last time.
Yes, I'm sorry.
No. He was a nice guy.
No, he's the best. Yes.
The two of you have made this decision. Are you happy with the way your life is going?
Yeah, I love it. I wouldn't trade it for anything. We've got the absolute best people that work with us. We've got the best customers. You know, I'm very, very blessed. Great family.
No, that's terrific.
Yeah, that's
really
awesome.
Good. That's good to know.
All right, well, this is great, especially for the new generation who doesn't like to talk to people, and everyone's so busy and they're texting. This is really cool. You can get your free quote from Gunner in a super simple way. Again, all you need to do is head to their website, click on Get Your Quote, enter your address and your contact information, and then submit. It's that easy.
I love the commercials. What if Gunner were never invented?
Thank you.
What if I have it memorized?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Good ads. Good ads.
Thank you.
All right. Up next, we're heading.